In this instructional video, I'll guide you through the process of earning money with ShrinkMe, IO, a rule shortening service. If you're unfamiliar with it, ShrinkMe, IO pays you for directing traffic to specific links, which then display advertisements, generating revenue for you. Let's start with an overview of ShrinkMe. Upon visiting the platform, you'll notice various payout options, including PayPal, Bitcoin, and bank transfers, with a $1 sign-up bonus and a minimum payout of $5. The platform emphasizes traffic from countries like Greenland, Ireland, and the US for higher earnings per 1,000 views. Now, let's dive into the strategy for making money with ShrinkMe. The key lies in creating simple tutorial videos on platforms like YouTube, explaining tasks such as creating a Facebook account or using specific software. These videos attract consistent traffic from users seeking guidance, presenting an opportunity to monetize. Here's how it works. In your video description, include a shortened ShrinkMe IO link that redirects viewers to the intended destination, such as Facebook or a product service website. By encouraging viewers to click the link for further assistance, you not only provide value but also generate revenue each time someone clicks on it. For instance, a tutorial video on creating a Facebook account could feature a ShrinkMe IO link in the description, leading viewers to Facebook. Similarly, tutorials on various topics can include shortened links to relevant websites or products, offering a seamless way to earn passive income. Recording these videos is straightforward. You can use built-in screen recorders on smartphones or software like OBS Studio on computers. It's with minimal competition for simple tutorial content. There's ample opportunity to attract viewers and monetize your videos effectively. In conclusion, leveraging ShrinkMe or alongside tutorial videos presents a viable method for earning passive income online. By providing valuable content and strategically incorporating shortened links, you can tap into a steady stream of traffic and maximize your earnings potential. If you're interested in learning more about this method, check out the linked video for additional. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.